Divide 750 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 6. So we put down this 5 and it is 15. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 0 and it is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 750 divided by 6 is 125. So this much for today and thanks for watching.